up, you guys? It's your boy Nas Brown back with another vlog because it's Saturday. Y'all should know that by now if you know my schedule by now. So, yeah. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to this vlog today. So, today is a really nice day. If you haven't checked out my other video where I fell, yeah, I fell. And yeah, I fell, and my butt hurt. It was like a vlog, but yeah, I fell. My butt was aching really bad because I fell on cement, hard rock. Well, you guys, I might look different, you know. Different. The heck? What happened to my tooth? It's wiggling. That's what I was talking about. My tooth is wiggly. That's why I said I might look different. My eyes look different and stuff, like dark. And I like look a little bit like more light skinned. You know. And this one is little. Now that one is really loose, that thing. But it's not coming out. I don't understand tooth. Like the heck? I mean teeth. I don't understand them. Like they wiggle so freaking much, but they still don't come out. Like the heck? And I finally got a GoPro today. Yeah. No, it was yesterday I got it. But I never used it yesterday. But I got the GoPro today. So I might look different in this GoPro. And I might, you know, got changes in my videos. So I missed one shout out in the other video, shout outs or other random stuff. I missed one shout out. It was Zayaria. She is like, you know, on and off. I'm not being mean or nothing. I'm just saying she on and off. We used to date and she used to be my girlfriend. And she on and off. Like sometimes she'll talk to me, that's on. Sometimes she'll act like, you know, kind of different. Like she'll be doing like, let's say I'm walking, then she gonna walk right past me like, hello, like, then she will start laughing, and I'll start laughing. I'm like, oh, okay, I don't know. So I just go along with her. But I don't know if we dating right now though. But I don't know if we're dating right now. Our relationship is on and off. Like I said, like we used to date, then we stopped dating. Date, stop, date, stop, date, stop. It's just like we break up, then go back together. Break up, then go back. I don't know what's the matter. But yeah. Shout out to my best friend Tevis. Nah, that's my best friend. But check out his YouTube channel. But I don't even know his YouTube channel. Somebody just told me like Tevis got a YouTube channel, and I'm like, I look it up. I ain't found nothing. So I'm gonna look it up today, and I'm gonna see if I could get his YouTube channel. And then I'm gonna come back to this video and edit it, and I'm gonna leave it in the description below. So yeah. And y'all already know I'm gonna make a vlog tomorrow because Yeah. Uh, uh, uh. It's really like gloomy out here. Look at the sky. It's not like that pleasant. Look at Anchor. Look at it. Do you see that? And it's not. I think it's like gum, like a little piece of gum attached to my tooth. That's why it's so wiggly, and at the same time it won't come out. I think it's a little piece of gum attached. Bro, I'm just gonna turn my GoPro around and see if you see something in them bushes. Cause I'm like seeing like, bruh, it's like little stuff going across, like this way. It didn't. Let me zoom in. Okay. Tell me if you see something. Okay. I don't know if y'all saw something or not. I just did my GoPro and do this. So I don't know what the heck. Bro, I'm paranoid. I'm trying to clean the screen. Shoot. Are you shooting, you guys? Shooting! Ah! Huh? Yeah, I was running to here. Bye, you guys.